This is the update on the illegal garage 2.0. It's getting there. This garage didn't have a garage door opener when I bought the house. I just installed this beautiful Chamberlain / liftmaster wall-mounted garage door opener. Comes with this keypad, comes with a lock. So the illegal garage 1.0 didn't have a lock on the garage door. There is no garage door mounted on the usual place on this garage because I have low ceilings, so all this is open. I love this garage door opener. It's pretty quiet, as you can see. Beautiful, just like the cobra. You close it and the lock is gonna lock itself. There you go. Pretty cool liftmaster / Chamberlain. Oh, and I forgot. You also have the mic cue keypad with camera for added security, which looks pretty cool. It all comes integrated into the garage door opener. This is the update on the illegal garage 2.0. Bye.